The annual eSTEAM Sumter Festival took place in downtown Sumter, South Carolina on Saturday, October 4th, 2025. The festival kicked off with a parade that involves a number of students representing their schools and a number of local businesses and organizations marching down South Main Street waving to the crowd. And even the world-famous Lizard Man from Lee County, South Carolina, greeting people in the parade. You probably want to know what is eSTEAM Sumter. It's a family festival celebrating and bringing together for those who are eager to learn the importance of science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. The eSTEAM Sumter Festival has been around since 2018. Over 90 vendors full of local businesses, industries, and educational institutions filled the streets for the whole family to come and check out displays, while kids doing plenty of hands-on activities, because you never know, these students could pursue a career as a future scientist, technologist, engineers, artists, and mathematicians.
Use one hand because you're going to let go with two hands at different times. You don't think so, but you are. Oh, nearly! Nice!
There were a number of schools and individuals perform on the live stage, showing off their talent in front of family and friends, including the drumline from Liberty STEAM Charter School in Sumter, South Carolina. Every year, the eSTEAM Sumter Festival draws more people not only in Sumter County, but from all over the state of South Carolina. According to organizers, the festival has received a number of awards on the state, regional, and international levels. Parents, if you didn't get a chance to bring your kids to the festival this year, make plans to come out next year. The eSTEAM Sumter Festival happens on the first Saturday in October. In downtown Sumter, South Carolina, Leon Myers for Myers Photography.